friends. So I just filmed a video showing, basically exposing myself of my clothing shopping addiction, and now I'm just gonna film another video exposing myself for my makeup shopping addiction. Okay, so basically, if you didn't know, 21 Days of Beauty just passed. Ulta's spring sale, whatever it's called, event just passed, and then some other sales, and I was just like going kind of crazy. So yeah, I kind of bought some stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Don't mind me, this was over a very, very, very long period of time, so please don't harass me in the comments, okay? Thanks. Let's just start back here. Okay, I got two of these. I don't know where I put the other one, but boy, oh boy, do you need to get this. Like, I wasn't even going in to get this, and somehow I came out with two of them. It smells so good. Okay, so this is the peach one. I also got a strawberry one. I think the strawberry one is in my bathroom right now because I use it every freaking night. It's almost gone. These are originally $21, which is so expensive because it's body butter, which is basically a fancy word for lotion. I don't know why, but literally every lotion makes me feel so sticky except for this. So, oh my gosh. So yeah, love this. It smells so good. Next off, I got some stuff from Mario Badescu. I got the lavender water because I was just hoping for the best that I would like this, because I really, really like the cucumber one and I liked the rose one until it screwed up my skin. I don't know why, but it made my skin so bad. So I decided to buy a different one. I don't know. But he was having a sale during the 21 Days of Beauty where it was like 25% off or something like that. So I was like, okay, Mario, like, I'll give you a try. Drying lotion, because I heard this was really good for getting rid of pimples overnight. My dear friend gifted me this. Thank you so much, Lauren. You're a sweetie pie. Shout out to you. She got me the soft glam palette, and this is literally, it's so beautiful. It's so pretty. I love Honest Fuzzy palettes. I also got the new, I don't even know, Amrezy, am I even saying it right? Highlighter. I don't watch her, but I really like her highlighters, so yeah. I also picked up these randomly from Wet n Wild. This is just the like little sculpting palette duo thing. So this is in caramel toffee, caramel, let me know. I think I say caramel, but I literally just said caramel. I really like this setting powder because it's kind of like yellowy toned, and I don't know, it's very good for like brightening under the eyes and stuff. And I also got this powder. I was like, what is this called? I heard that this is like a dupe for the MAC, like mineralized skin powder, whatever it's called. So I was like, I need a new powder. I'm not gonna buy the MAC one because I'm not stupid. Just kidding. Nothing against you, MAC. Also from Wet n Wild, I got this bad boy. You can't even see it because it's so shiny, but this is the highlighter in Golden Flower Crown because I got the one in Precious Petals, if you saw in the last haul, and it's so good. So then I was like, I saw this and I was like, well, I kind of have to, you know? I got this Julep concealer. It was on sale, so I was like, yeah. Honestly, I literally heard nothing about this, but I don't know, like, something took over me. I also got these two concealers because at the time, Makeup Revolution, I think it was buy one get one free or something like that. These are the new concealers that everyone was like, oh, it's like better than Tarte Shape Tape, blah 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 blah. So I was like, I'll test it out, you know. But I got one that is my skin tone, and it's like an exact match with my skin tone, kind of crazy. It's in C10 for concealing just like blemishes and whatever. And then I also got this one in C14, which is literally freaking dark, and you're like, Melanie, that's not your color. No duh. I use this for contouring because it's called Full Coverage Conceal and Contour, and so I was like, contour. From Elle Drugstore, I got these two lip glosses. These are from L'Oreal because, I don't know, I just had this phase where I was like, bruh, I just love lip gloss. So I got these. These are the Color Riche ones, and I got two, I can't read. 220 Riche Rose and is it Riche Roche? I sound stupid. Okay, I got 220 and 720. Really, really dig them. Really dig them. On top of that, I was like, I want more lip gloss apparently, so I got this. Just kidding. I had a gift card, so I was like, might as well. But this is the Fenty Beauty Universal Lip Gloss, and I don't know, I really dig this stuff. It's really cool. It's really nice, and oh my gosh, I'm literally dropping everything. That was so embarrassing. But this is, oh my gosh, I don't know. It's like glittery, so not glitter, not like chunks of glitter. It's like shimmery, so it looks really nice on your lips. On to the next thing. These items I got during Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty. So the first thing I got was the Anastasia Brow Wiz, because you know when everybody raved about this and I was all like, heck yeah, like I want nice eyebrows. So I literally was about to buy it, but then I was like, hold up, I'm not gonna pay like 20 bucks for a little tiny pencil that's literally skinnier than like a normal pencil. And I was like, no. I really like it just for like outlining my brows. When I use this, I would use like 4 steps for my brows, and that's just a little too much, so I use it for the like days I want to be extra defined, you know, because I just do like the lines because it's so sharp and pointy and tiny, you know. Next I got the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. I haven't opened it yet because I use the like sample of it right now, but I really like this for some reason. I don't know. I got the Sephora, are you kidding me, Melanie? 21 Days of Beauty Ulta, okay, Photo Finish Primer Water, because everybody raved about this and I was like, everybody's stupid, like that's a hoax, like it's literally like water in a bottle, and then I bought it. So, but at least I didn't spend $30 on it, okay? Watch this, watch it. Wow. Just wasted my $20 water. Last few things, I swear, oh my gosh. The Urban Decay Naked Palette, because I had a gift card, plus it was on sale for $19. I feel like this whole haul is me trying to justify my purchases. Also, I got some palettes from Juvia's Place because Nikki Tutorials got me. Do you see these? The pans are huge. They're like huge. Crazy colors that are like packed with pigment. And obviously I don't wear these colors out because I'm like 10 years old. But they're really freaking fun to play with. 3 different palettes because they were having some crazy sale. I don't remember what it was because it was literally a year ago. Wow, look how neon it is. And it looks like this one is the most like realistic because like all of these shades are actual like nice warm tone. I think I just said toad. Natural like warm toned shadow shades, so like I could actually wear these. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm almost done. This was last night, actually, I don't know, like a few days ago. I wanted to get some skincare because my skin's been sucking recently. So actually this one's not skincare, this is the only non-skincare thing I got, and this is just a Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Lip Shine. And then the rest, say no more, my chicas. I don't even know what I was about to say. I got like 20 million face masks. Just kidding. These are Tony Moly. It sounds funny. Face masks. Sheet masks, to be specific. These are my favorite sheet masks. I got 7 different ones. I'm so freaking excited. I'm so stocked. And I'm going to use these. It's gonna be amazing. Like, oh, I just love them. They're so good. These were on sale, and I was like, heck yeah, like, I'm so excited. And then I freaking checked out, and it was like $50. I'm kidding, it wasn't 50, but it was so expensive. And I was like, ah! I was so mad, because I didn't do the math in my head, and then I was really embarrassed, and I couldn't, like, back out of buying my face masks. So I'm just gonna use them and be happy. Last thing, are these other face masks. I've always seen this brand and I've always been like, wow, that looks real nice. Something about the packaging just intrigues me. But yeah, I got these 3. This one is a gel mask. These 2, which are peel masks, and I love peel masks. It's so fun to peel them off. It's just like, it's like you're ripping your skin off, but you're not, you know? That sounded really stupid. I'm sorry. That's pretty much it. That's my my makeup skincare haul. Yeah, I better have perfect skin and a nice looking face after spending all that money. So that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching, suffering through that awkward haul where I justified all my terrible purchases and life choices. Yeah, pretty much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want to see makeup videos, let me know. Follow me on my socials. I'll have them linked down below, and that is all. Peace, love, hugs. Just kidding. That's not my outro. Okay, bye!